Miss Wells, what are they doing?
I have no idea.
I love you. I need you. Ellie, I love you. I do.
Are you making a TikTok?
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you.
Good morning, Cromer Wildcats, and it's a great day on campus today, and I wonder if we're going to get snow this afternoon. So let's see what today is. We are way down there at the bottom of January. Today is Friday, January 29th, and I love Fridays because we have our assembly following announcements. We do have some birthdays today and over the weekend. So we have today Hayden and Emmanuel, and over the weekend Orion and Toriel. So I wish all of you a happy birthday. I hope it's a great day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For breakfast, we do our strawberry cream cheese bagel. For lunch, chicken sandwich, and more chicken for dinner with chicken nuggets. I just wanted to remind everybody that there's a new update. I know how we love to update our iPad, but you should be on 14.4. And remember, you go over here to the settings. You can double click it or open it, and then it will show you my iPad is up to date or I need to update to 14.4. It's always important to update so that we can make sure that we are running our programs and that things run smoothly. Let's see. Oh, I did put up a new quote today, and it says, "It takes heart to be a hero." And I put this one up as a reminder that today we have a special assembly from Jump Rope for Heart. Miss Rose has organized that, and so I know the links will be on her page. And also that we start our Jump Rope for Heart challenge in February, and the whole month of February we'll be looking for how can we be a heart hero. And at this point in time, if you could stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by that moment of silence, and then we'll turn it over to Mr. Davis for our assembly.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic in which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, Wildcat and Mr. Davis, take it away.
Okay, boys and girls, Miss Jones in the library here. I've got several shout outs today. I've had a ton of people getting on the library Canvas page and listening to the books that we've got on there, as well as filling out book reports, which is awesome. I have been able to send out Pizza Edge coupons specifically to Mr. Justin and Mr. Joshua in 2nd grade and Brandon in 4th grade. Keep it up, boys and girls. Awesome job.
Woo! All right, Mr. Davis here. I would like to shout out all my classes who used breakout rooms for the first time with me this week. I'm proud of your responsible work, and in particular, Miss Atkins' class, for everyone turning in their Canvas assignments by the end of class. It was so cool. Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Miss Fischel here. My shout out this week goes to Devin in Miss Imethin's class, actually all of Miss Imethin's class. We've been working on drawing eyes and texture, and she was the inspiration. She took a really close-up picture of her eye, and she inspired us to not just draw a generic eye, but now we're all drawing our own eyes and taking pictures and stuff. So that all came from her inspiration, and I appreciate that.
All right, Miss D here. Oh, I have so many, I don't even know what to do. So my theme this week was science talk. So I have Pishke's class, I have Vallejo's class, all doing great science talk. Grace and Lily and Austin in 1st grade, Keith and Ember in 2nd grade, Michaela, Ashley in 3rd grade, Jason, 4th grade, and all of 5th grade for hitting on the topic of gravity. Thank you, everybody.
Woohoo! All right, oh dear, and I are pumped up, geared up, and excited for tomorrow's special American Heart Association kickoff. Hey, Jump Rope for Heart is back at Cromer, and the kickoff starts at 9:30 a.m. till 10 tomorrow for all you kinder, 1st, 2nd, Wildcats, and again at 10:05 till 10:35 for those in 3rd, 4th, and 5th Wildcats. Right on! A shout out to all that will be there to celebrate our hearts and becoming a heart hero.
All right.
Hi, Cromer. This is Miss Edwards with 1st grade, and I'm going to shout out my friends who have completed their minutes on Lexia or even exceeded their minutes on Lexia, even though we only had 2 days because we're recording this on Thursday. So Fairly, Emily, Danae, Isabel, Grace, Emma, Preston, and Thaden. Great job working on your reading skills.
Hi, Cromer. Today I want to shout out James. He joined our class this week, or at the end of last week, and I just want to say thank you for all your hard work and patience and trying to learn our routines and navigate all the technology. You have done amazing. So proud of you. And then my second shout out is to Viviana this week for just taking your time and completing things so carefully, writing amazing sentences, illustrating your pictures with lots of colors, lots of details. Thank you for all of your hard work.
Nice job. This week, I would like to shout out all of my amazing 1st graders who are coming to my reading group. So Miss Lizette, thank you so much for all of your hard work this week. You were on fire for Miss Severs and I yesterday and today. So we're so excited to keep reading with you. Thank you to Quan Hoya, Chloe, Jenna, Tristan, Cambrielle, Fairly, Emma, and Tori. It has been so awesome getting to read with you guys this week. So keep it up. Thanks.
Hey, 1st grade, it's Miss Severs. I want to thank all of Miss Strauss's class for working super hard with me for math this week. Bye, 1st grade. Have a nice weekend.
Bye. Hi, I'm Mrs. Harkey, and I wanted to give a big shout out to Keith. I appreciate you always having so many interesting facts to share with us and being willing to help us learn, and I love having you in class. Thanks, Keith.
I'm Miss Flower, and I want to shout out Tegan for always participating. And in our small groups today, you did awesome. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Miss Oliva. I want to give a shout out to all of my students that worked on Lexia and Dreambox during our snow days. Good job, you guys.
Hi, I am Mrs. Lee, and I'd like to give a shout out to Brooke for all her hard work with helping her friends with the tech today and all the tech issues with the update. Thank you.
I'm Miss Sharp, and I actually wanted to give a big shout out to my whole class. Thank you guys for coming to our small groups. Thank you guys for working on your own when you weren't in group time with me. And thank you for coming back from our snow days ready to learn. It was an awesome day today. And also for being so welcoming to our phase 3 student, Miss Flores. I was so happy to get to see you guys. Thanks for everything. Have a great weekend, friends, and we'll see you guys back here next time. Bye.
Third grade team here. We wanted to give our shout outs this week. I have 2 shout outs. One is for Aaliyah. Great job working with me on that math. It was really awesome watching you really start to understand that place value chart. And my second shout out goes to Ryan. I've loved your participation these past few days. It's been really fun having you engaged with us and answering all of the questions. Thank you, ladies.
And my shout outs are going to Iari and Cora for completing all of their assignments so far this quarter in Canvas and in EasyTech, and also meeting their Alexia and Dreambox goals each week. So way to go, girls. Awesome job. Keep up the great work.
I've got 2 shout outs this week. My first one's going to Aaliyah for being so excited to volunteer in our reading groups this week. And my second one goes out to Layla for participating in math and being a superstar.
Hi, third grade here, Miss Emmison. We wanted to shout out Kian and Josh and Abby and Adiel, who were 2 teams that worked really well together during a reading assignment in which one person was riding in the car and they were still able to complete their assignment, and another person had the chronic fallout from Zoom and they were still able to complete their assignment. So I'm really excited about that. And to Miss Lambert, who's your shout out to?
I'm going to shout out Elsie just because she's always participating when no one else is. So I appreciate that.
Happy Friday, third grade. My shout outs are to Mason and Emma for taking initiative in your learning, meaning taking charge of your learning and doing what you know has to be done without being asked. So very good job to both of you. Have a great Friday, everybody. Have a good weekend. See you Monday.
Happy Friday, this is Miss Geller. This week I would like to give a shout out to the students that are consistently participating and asking questions. So that would be Bryden, Landon, Claire, and Deanna. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for your hard work.
Okay, there we go. Okay, happy Friday, Mrs. Kaiser here. We had a very short week with our Monday, Tuesday snow days, and because of that, I want to shout out my entire class for just doing a really good job getting so much work completed in such a short amount of time. So great job. I'm proud of you guys.
All right, Miss Marquardt here. You guys, I missed you very much. I just want to shout out my whole class for holding it together while I'm gone. A special shout out to Mrs. Mays for holding the fort down and keeping the kids going. I really appreciate you, and have a great weekend.
Hi, Cromer Wildcats. It's Miss Weeby. I wanted to thank my 5th grade students that were able to get on Dreambox Math and get lessons done. And those students are Brianna, Alexis, Lyris, Eli, Armando, Dalen, Teresa, Wyatt, Hannah. Thank you very much for doing that.
Hi, 5th grade. It's Miss Wells. I want to shout out Elijah, Melody, Aisha, Hannah, and Hayden for turning in their science fictional rough draft this week. Thank you guys, and I can't wait for your final draft.
Good morning, everybody. It's Mr. Hernandez, and I'd like to give a shout out this week to all the students who have been working tirelessly on Dreambox Math. Your participation is through the roof. So I have Kyler, Yamalet, Dylan B., CJ, Nathan, Logan, Don, Kaya, Aiden, Madison, Dylan, W, and Salin. Thank you for all your hard work.
Hey, and here's Mr. Pitcher. I would like to shout out folks for the same reason, getting on Dreambox and working through that this week. So that would be Jamin, William, Remy, Jasmine, Danny, Darton, Haley, Availi, Orion, Hannah, PJ, and Shalane. Thank you all for getting on there and getting your stuff done.
Hi, it's Miss Apana. I just wanted to shout out PJ and Orion for your great work on the science fiction writing. You guys have made a lot of progress in the past couple weeks. Keep up the good work.
Hi, it's Ms. Wise. I'm an NAU student from Mark Pitcher's class. I just want to thank all the students for welcoming me here this week. Thank you.
All right, thank you, 5th grade. Have a great weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Forgot my backpack and I felt so mad. Yeah, forgot my backpack and I felt so mad. But now that I got my PS5, I'm feeling good. Forgot my dog, and I felt oh so sad. Well, forgot my little doggy, and I felt so sad. Now that I got my breakfast, I'm feeling glad. Forgot my cat and felt oh so sad. Yeah, forgot my kitty cat and felt oh so sad. Yeah, but now that I got my sleep, I'm feeling mad. Hey! Forgot my gator and felt oh so lonely. Yeah, forgot my gator and felt oh so lonely. But now that I got my ice cream, I'm feeling lovely.